The National Investigation Agency's probe against separatists in the valley, kick-started by the India Today sting operation Hurriyat Truth Tapes, is quickly gathering pace. The NIA on Saturday interrogated the three separatist leaders stung on camera by India Today: Naeem Khan, Farooq Ahmed Dar aka Bitta Karate, and Ghazi Javed Baba. Bitta Karate was grilled for over 2 hours while questioning of the other two separatists continued till late. On Friday, an NIA team visited India Today's offices to seek the sting tape videos and other information which points to Pakistan's links with separatists in Kashmir. India Today's sting operation has sent jolts across Kashmir and the rest of the country. The separatist leadership is in shambles and running for cover whenever faced by reporters. First it was JKLF chief Yasin Malik, and now it's Naeem Khan, evading all questions. And in a major impact of our expose, Naeem was even suspended from Hurriyat's Gilani faction.
Exposed and cornered.
Listen to me.
They have no cover left, no place to hide.
Okay, why don't you answer questions? You're running away, sir.
Now they are growling instead of answering straight questions.
If you're taking fund from Pakistan, how it is indigenous movement? This is indigenous. You are not. You are cheaters. You take fund from Pakistan, how it is indigenous movement, sir? Who are you? I'm not answerable to you. Who are you?
Hurriyat leader Naeem Khan, stung by our investigation, faced with our resolute reporters.
You have to answer questions, sir. You have to answer questions.
All of your questions. I think my local media, social media, I answered you all. And I am ready. अगर कोई भी TV channel मुझसे अलग से बात करना चाहती है, that channel is welcome. I am not off because I have nothing to hide.
Okay, we are very. Please come here, sir.
You India Today, you guys, you are the cheaters.
Okay, why don't you answer questions? You're running away, sir.
First, the Hurriyat leader used lies as a face-saver, only to end up contradicting himself.
Doctored, simulated, and a college of bits and pieces. It does not have a shred of credibility, as do all its biased, partial, myopic reporting. That Pakistan is supporting this movement at diplomatic level, political level. क्यों नहीं करेगा? It is their moral obligation because they are administrating one part of Kashmir. यहाँ के लोगों ने 2016 में इस मूवमेंट को फंड किया, चाहे वो कश्मीर में रहने वाले लोग हैं, जम्मू कश्मीर में, पूंछ, रजौरी, डोडा, चिनाब और दिस पीर पंचाल में, या एक्सपेट्रिएट कश्मीरी जो हैं, क्यों नहीं देंगे? ये मूवमेंट है.
Naeem Khan nailing his own lie, unwittingly repeating what he had said in our expose that he and his outfit are on Pakistani support.
जो पाकिस्तान से फंडिंग हुर्रियत को होती है, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है.
इतना बड़ा सिस्टम चला रहे हैं तो कहाँ जाएगा?
तो इन्होंने बताया सबसे पहले गिलानी साहब के पास जाती है, चेयरमैन है हुर्रियत की, उनके पास पाकिस्तान की फंडिंग जाती है, फिर
मीरवाइज के पास जाती है,
फिर यासीन के पास जाती है.
And just hours after the press conference, Naeem was suspended from the Hurriyat. Separatist leaders in Kashmir stand completely exposed, and now only one question remains. When will the valley get Azadi from the real villains? With Ashutosh Mishra and Anindya Banerjee in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's fearless reporters have nailed the separatists, the Pakistan agents who've admitted to taking Pakistani money. India Today's crew was targeted and assaulted in Srinagar for posting tough questions to separatist Yasin Malik and Naeem Khan. Their cowardice on your screen as they dodge direct questions by India Today's reporters. Instead, they accuse us of airing doctored tapes.
They act tough when it comes to inciting violence and fueling the fire of unrest in the valley. But when it comes to answering questions, we see their cowardice on screen, trying to evade questions. On Friday, when India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu cornered JKLF chief Yasin Malik over the Hurriyat Truth Tapes expose, his response was astonishing. Malik first invited our crew into his residence and then assaulted them. He broke equipment and even physically assaulted the video journalist.
इसका जो वर्षन है, हमें मारा पीटा गया, मैंने पुलिस में कंप्लेंट की है.
But he got so agitated, he came out, he snatched my phone saying I'm doing a sting. He took away my phone. He broke it. He assaulted my camera person.
Then he brazenly accused our crew of barging into his house and justified his actions.
एक लड़की रो रही है, ड्रामा कर रही है. इस लड़की को कोई ये नहीं पूछ रहा है कि आप किस तरीके से एक शख्स के बेडरूम में दाखिल हो गई खुद.
We told him we'll wait outside. He asked me why you are here. I told him we've been trying to call him since morning. There was no response.
Stung by our investigation, Hurriyat leader Naeem Khan vanished into thin air, emerging after 5 days.
कभी मैं जैकेट में लगाया हूँ, कभी मैं वेस्टकोट में हूँ.
Claiming the Hurriyat tapes are doctored, even as his boss Gilani doesn't agree, suspending him.
वॉइस आप देखें, मोमेंट आप में, माउथ आप देखें. कभी मैं जैकेट में लगाया हूँ, कभी मैं वेस्टकोट में हूँ, कभी मैं ठंडे कपड़े में हूँ, कभी 3 साल पुराना कोई वीडियो वो मिक्स करके, मेरी वॉइस को मिक्स करके आउट ऑफ कंटेक्स्ट पेश किया गया है.
A visibly ruffled Naeem Khan avoided all our questions. India Today's sting has shaken up India, but can suspending Naeem be enough? The ball is now clearly in the government's court. Is it time to jail Hurriyat hawks? With Kamaljeet Sandhu, Ashutosh Mishra and Anindya Banerjee in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's Hurriyat tape sting operation has had a massive impact all across the country. The government has taken note of the shocking revelations and also initiated a probe by the National Investigation Agency. However, the Hurriyat hawks continue to play hide and seek with authorities. Watch this detailed report on the extensive impact of this big sting operation from 2017.
पाकिस्तान से फंडिंग हुर्रियत को होती है, वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है.
इतना बड़ा सिस्टम चला रहे हैं तो कहाँ जाएगा?
तो इन्होंने बताया सबसे पहले गिलानी साहब के पास जाती है,
तो चेयरमैन है हुर्रियत की, उनके पास पाकिस्तान की फंडिंग जाती है, फिर इसके पास जाती है,
फिर यासीन के पास जाती है.
India Today exposed the treachery of the villains of the valley. The Hurriyat hawks, who claim to be the voice of Kashmir, completely exposed. Their damning link to terror groups in Pakistan laid bare, and the impact of the sting is now evident. For starters, the National Investigation Agency visited India Today's offices to get unedited clips of the sting, and a probe has been launched based on the revelations made in the India Today investigation.
We in NIA, we have registered a preliminary inquiry yesterday based on the intelligence inputs which we had received, as well as the India Today story which has been done on Hurriyat leaders receiving funds from Pakistan.
In another massive impact, not just the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister, but even Union Defence Minister Arun Jaitley promised action based on proof provided by India Today.
What was known already in informed circles has only been proved by a report. So it was known that they were being funded from across the border.
Well, see, we need to differentiate between people who really want to, restore peace and normalcy in the state, and those people who have made it a business to keep the valley on fire. So we need to distinguish between the two.
The sting has also forced the Congress to sit up and take notice, demanding a sedition case against the Hurriyat hawks.
Anybody who's receiving terrorist money from people like Hafiz Saeed, from ISI, from Pakistan through Hawala means must be arrested, prosecuted and punished.
Roots in Kashmir, a Kashmiri Pandit group filed a PIL in the apex court seeking a transfer of cases against separatists Yasin Malik and Bitta Karate outside Jammu and Kashmir.
Government of India has not been following up on the cases which they themselves have filed, especially the Hawala transaction cases which are there almost against all the separatist leaders. With the evidence which India Today has provided, they should now expedite those cases and bring them to justice.
Visibly ruffled, separatist leaders evaded all questions posed by India Today's reporters. First it was Yasin Malik who dared to get violent against our crew.
इसका जो वर्षन है, हमें मारा पीटा गया, मैंने पुलिस में कंप्लेंट की है.
But he got so agitated, he came out, he snatched my phone saying I'm doing a sting. He took away my phone. He broke it.
Then it was Hurriyat Hawk Naeem Khan blatantly lying and running away.
You were saying you take fund from Pakistan. You saying it's indigenous movement. If you taking fund from Pakistan, how it is indigenous movement?
This is indigenous. You are not. You are cheaters.
You take fund from Pakistan, how it is indigenous movement, sir?
Who are you? I am not answerable to you. Who are you?
I am not here to answer.
I am not answerable to this.
Sir, you take fund from Pakistan.
Following this heated press conference, Naeem Khan was suspended from the Hurriyat. A move by Gilani to perhaps try and distance himself from the revelations and to perhaps save his own skin. From the authorities' response to the Hurriyat's panicked reaction, India Today's sting operation has jolted the entire country. With Kamaljit Sandhu, Ashutosh Mishra and Anindo Banerjee in Srinagar, Bureau Report, India Today.
Sir, on camera you were saying that you take fund from...
It's India Today's biggest expose, and it's what everyone is talking about, including those in the media. Groundbreaking India Today's Hurriyat Truth Tapes expose has laid bare the villains of the valley. Hurriyat leaders Naeem Khan, Bitta Karate and Ghazi Javed Baba caught on camera accepting that they take funds from Pakistan to keep violence in the valley on, inciting unrest using young Kashmiris. Take a look at how these Hurriyat hawks take pride in bleeding the valley.
India Today's special investigation team has obtained clinching evidence of Pakistan choreographing this rage in collaboration with its agents among separatists.
एक आम बच्चे को गोली मारना सीधा 15 साल का हिंदुस्तान ऐसी है कि
पॉलिटिक्स में नंबर 1 खरीद
Police Commission minus 47.
Naeem Khan is the provincial president of the Hurriyat's Gilani faction. He stealthily travels down to Delhi to meet our reporters who posed as potential funders. Listen in to his startling disclosures. Pakistan funneling hundreds of crores to the Hurriyat to plunge Jammu and Kashmir into its worst unrest in decades.
पिछले 3 साल से चाह रहा था कि ऐसी चीज हो.
कैसे?
इतनी बड़ी पावरफुल स्टेशन चले
जो अब चलिए बुरहानवाली के बाद 5 महीने जो अब चल रही है.
हाँ, चल रही है. मतलब वो इतना भी नहीं चाहते थे, कहीं वो 1 महीना चाहते थे कि पावरफुल 1 महीना. ऐसा नहीं होता. मतलब इसमें बड़ी चीजें फिर शामिल हो जाती हैं.
उनकी फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट रही इस वाले में, प्रेजेंट
में रहा, पर जिस लेवल का होना चाहिए
फिर भी
जिस लेवल का मैंने
100 करोड़ तो रहा होगा.
छोटी सी बात
इतना तो रहा ना.
तो उससे ज्यादा ही रहा, बट मैं कहता हूँ
ज्यादा ही रहा.
Now he explains how Islamabad laundered its dirty money. The first ever disclosure by any Kashmiri separatist leader caught on tape.
Different parties.
आपकी फंडिंग है वो मतलब साल के हिसाब से वो करते हैं आपकी फंडिंग या how they fund you?
Different.
या quarterly they fund you?
Quarterly.
या annually they fund you?
कभी मतलब quarterly और 6 monthly इस तरीके से
आ जाता है.
और कभी कभार वो ऐसा भी होता है कि वो कहीं सूर्या में रहते हैं, कतर में किस देते हैं, वहाँ से वहाँ गया, वहाँ से इधर आ गया दिल्ली, फिर आपने यहाँ से मुझे दिया। थोड़ा सा उसमें भी होता है परसेंटेज बीच वाला कट भी करता है, जैसे पाकिस्तान से वहाँ गया।
Next, Khan also explains his group's role in torching schools. Khan proudly boasts about supporting these attacks.
तो ये स्कूल चलाना भी हुर्रियत की मूवमेंट का हिस्सा है।
हालात को खराब करने के लिए आपको पैस चाहिए, चाहे वो रेलवे स्टेशन जले, पुलिस स्टेशन जले, चाहे स्कूल जले, पंचायत जले, अलग चाहे हॉस्पिटल। जाती तौर में हॉस्पिटल के खिलाफ नहीं होना चाहिए। तो मतलब कैओस क्रिएट करने के लिए यू हैव टू डू सर्टेन थिंग्स। गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी हो, एमएलए पर पथराव हो, एमएलए की पिटाई इतनी सड़कों पर रात भर हुई, उनके घर जलाना, एमएलए के घरों पर प्रेशर माउंट करना। अभी तो 35 ही चले हैं,
35 ही चले, 35 स्कूल जल रहा है, तो सपोर्ट तो आप ही का है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूँ।
नहीं, वो तो है जले बिकॉज ऑफ मस्जिद में हम ही तो थे वहाँ।
नईब साहब नहीं होते तो फिर सपोर्ट नहीं होगा तो कैसे हो जाएगा?
कोई भी चीज सपोर्ट के वजह नहीं होगी।
Quoting a price to keep the Kashmir Valley in turmoil, separatists unmasked on India Today's camera.
300-400 करोड़ 500 करोड़ अगर आज पंप हो 3 महीने और कैरी ऑन किया जा सकता। और जैसे आपने कहा इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाने से ही अब चलेगा। थोड़ा फैटिग भी आ जाता है ना। पहले डंडा हम कम चलाते थे, अब डंडा ज्यादा चलाना।
पाकिस्तान में सर आप किसके टच में हैं?
नहीं, हमारे भी लोग हैं वहाँ, नवाज शरीफ के साथ हैं, बाकी लोगों के साथ भी हैं, कोई ऐसा नहीं।
गिलानी साहब किसके टच में पाकिस्तान में?
गिलानी की जमात इस्लामी वहाँ है और फिर एजेंसियां भी हैं।
कोई टच में है इनमें से? कुछ
गिलानी साहब थोड़ा सा रहा है, थोड़ा सा उनके साथ ना, थोड़ा सा।
किनका? हाफिज सईद ने गिलानी साहब को फंड किया है। कितना सर?
सब कुछ तो नहीं पूछते, बट हमें जहाँ जहाँ पता चलता है तो ठीक ठाक किया उन्होंने भी किया।
10-20 करोड़
ज्यादा किया। राष्ट्रीय रजिस्ट्रेशन तो आपसे, क्योंकि उसको ये फायदा हुआ, उसने पूरे पाकिस्तान में एक ड्राइव भी फिर चलाया इस नाम पे ना, कलेक्शन ऑफ फंड्स के नाम पे।
And now he reveals who in Pakistan gives what to which leader in Kashmir.
अच्छा, ये हाफिज सईद से जो फंडिंग है जो हुर्रियत को, ये पाकिस्तान की जो गवर्नमेंट फंड करती है उससे अलग है?
ये अलग है।
तो उसने अभी देना शुरू किया या पहले से दे रहा है हाफिज सईद?
ज्यादा नहीं करता था, पहले उसका अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी उसकी, बट लास्ट ईयर उसने कर ली ठीक ठाक।
तो गिलानी जो पाकिस्तान से फंडिंग हुर्रियत को होती है वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाती है।
इतना बड़ा सिस्टम चला रहे हैं तो कहाँ जाएगा?
तो इन्होंने बताया सबसे पहले गिलानी साहब के पास जाती है, चेयरमैन है हुर्रियत की, उनके पास पाकिस्तान की फंडिंग जाती है, फिर
मीरवाइज के पास जाती है,
फिर यासीन के पास जाती है।
Ready to unleash a new wave of unrest anytime. Choking separatist finances, therefore, seems to be the key to peace in the Kashmir Valley. With Jamshed Khan and Sushant Pathak, this is the India Today Special Investigation Team.